The ZT0562 Ti, a Rick Hinderer design, 8.3 inches in overall length. It weighs 5.3 ounces. It operates on KVT ball bearings and a flipper tab. The handle is made of stonewashed titanium and black oxide steel tube spacers. The blade is made of ultra-premium CPM 20CV steel. The pocket clip is a reversible tip-up carry. The blade is held securely open by a titanium frame lock with hardened steel LOCKBAR insert. Milling inside the titanium handle scales actually makes this model of the 0562 lighter than the previous carbon fiber handle version.